Okay, bro. Jerry Lewis, Urban Survival 101. Okay? If you don't have enough laundry detergent, right? You scrounge around in the trash. You get the kind, right? And you take some water. Just, there's always residue in there, Especially in the caps. And you just get a little water, right? Fill her up. Give it a couple shakes, all right? I already prepared these, right? And it's so concentrated, it's always good, So, boom, time for the rinse, right? It's not so easy to do this with one hand while I'm filming, right? I put my rinse in there. Ta-da! Right? You flip them upside down. And it's always got a residue, and you just put a little water in there, not to dilute it too much, and bam, 30 pounds.